Hi, it's Dawn from Ninja Money Crochet. Today I wanted to show you my Sentro knitting machine. This is brand new. I haven't even opened it up yet. I am going to jump into trying to work a knitting machine. So I just wanted to hop on and show you my new adventure that's going to be starting in 2023. We're going to be working with a knitting machine. So if you think you would be interested in seeing videos on working with a knitting machine, just drop me a comment below and let me know, and I will definitely do some videos on this machine. And I do have an Addi, a king size express machine coming as well. And if things go well, I'm thinking of getting the smaller sizes of the Sentro and the Addi as well, so I could work stuff like mittens and baby hats and stuff. My goal is to see how many hats I can pop out in 2023 so that I have lots of hats to donate to the homeless shelter or to the veterans shelter in 2023. So thanks for watching, and happy crocheting, and soon to be happy knitting. Bye bye.